Once you're registered and logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard, and that's what this page is. This page tracks the activity that you've already completed, and it also helps you schedule new activities in various locations around your neighborhood. So to begin, let's schedule some activities. We're just going to scroll down here, and this section here acts as your calendar. By default, it's going to show you the whole week at a time, and you're going to be able to schedule new activities on the first Sunday of every week. If you want to add a new activity to your schedule, there's two ways to do it. You can, if it's within the week, you can just click anywhere on this schedule. Let's say we're going for noon. We're going to go and play with the kids. So we schedule an activity at noon. I just clicked right on the calendar there. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit Edit/Schedule Activity. If you didn't want to click on the calendar to add events, you can add them directly by clicking New Activity. Both of these options will open this window. From here, the first thing you want to do is ensure that the time and date that you selected earlier is present at the top of the form. Then you want to fill in how long it's going to take you to get prepared to do that activity. We're going to say 20 minutes here. This part here, I completed the amount of minutes of this activity we're going to come back to. You can actually fill this in once you know how long the activity actually took you. Now you're going to actually select what the activity is. So first we're going to look at where it's going to happen. So these are kind of categories. And then you choose the activity type from the list provided. It's a home outdoor activity, playing with the kids. There we go. So once you've specified what you want to do, you can either put in an address. So I'm just going to put in my address here. Or let's say you didn't really know what you wanted to do. You can leave this blank for now, and then we can click View Suggestions. And this is going to fill in the locations automatically using your postal code. So you can just slip your postal code in here. And if you zoom out, you can explore this wonderful catalog of pools, gyms, recreation centers, and trails around your neighborhood. There's some really fun stuff. So here is a walk here at the Olympic Village. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to take a walk over there. That's what we're going to do. So now that's been filled in. And my form is complete. We just add some comments and we hit save. And then we get a confirmation that our scheduled activity will appear on our calendar. So once it's been reloaded, you can see here that our activity is actually right on our calendar. I just need to backtrack for a second so we can take a look again at this beautiful map that the Open Project provides us. There's a few things that you should know about it. So yes, you can use your postal code to explore it. You can also kind of just click and drag around to see what is in maybe some other neighborhoods that you visit often. You can also, let's say that you're not much of a swimmer and you don't want to see the pools, you want to narrow your search. You can click off pools here and all of a sudden the map is reset and the pools no longer exist. So you can use those little buttons there to narrow your search. If you want any additional information on some of the sites this map has to offer, just click right on the title and it should take you to their official website. The interactive map can be visited at any time by clicking the Where to Go tab at the top of the menu. So I've taken a few minutes to use the map tool to pick a few more activities throughout the week. Now you can really see the power of the dashboard. Here I have highlighted the total amount of weekly minutes of exercise that I have scheduled, and this bar will fill up as we complete the exercises. So as you complete exercises, you come down to your calendar here and you just click on an activity and we go to Edit Schedule Activity. Now this was the original playing with kids example. Let's say that instead of an hour we only ended up playing for half an hour. So complete 30 minutes of it, I'll hit save. And what you'll see is this bar now is up to 14%. And as we complete this, you can see that the meter itself updates to keep you motivated. Other motivations include how many total minutes of exercise you've gotten, how many days you've been with the Open program, and how you currently schedule your types of activities so you can try to get outdoors more during the summer months. As you progress, your achievements will be rewarded with awards displayed on this page. If you have any questions or comments about the Open program, you can find details on the contact page. Please feel free to give us a call, write us an email, or even stop by the office. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'd just like to take a second to acknowledge the generous financial support of the Canadian Institute of Health Research. I'd also like to give a special thanks to the Arthritis Research Centre of Canada, the University of British Columbia, the Center for Digital Media, and all the members of the Open Team for their collaboration on this project. It's really going to change some people's lives. For more information, please visit the Arthritis, Joint Health, and Knowledge Translation Research Program's website.